This is cardistry. Defined by the all-knowing Google as the act of flourishing, cardistry is a unique set of card skills that involves arranging playing cards in very difficult configurations with the intent to impress onlookers rather than fool them like most traditional card tricks.
Is this your card?
No. No.
Is it?
Oh, look at
Now today, I will not be trying to learn any magic tricks, maybe someday in a future video, but today I'm going to be learning probably the most basic cardistry move in the book, the Charlier cut. So I think it's important for me to point out that I have almost zero experience when it comes to cardistry. The coolest thing I've ever been able to do with a deck of cards is whatever this is called. Oh my goodness. Got it. That's pretty ugly though. First off, I think it's important to note that trying to handle and straighten a deck of cards with only one hand is extremely difficult when starting out. Since you're trying to hold the deck sideways rather than long ways in your hand, each configuration feels very foreign to the touch. Oh, there we go. No! I think what the guy said is to hold it like this, with the pinky on the outside, and then when I split it, I don't think my, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It gets so much more nerve-wracking when you don't have a table underneath you. See? It's getting stuck. No! Splitting the deck is not the problem. It's when I get to here that it keeps getting stuck underneath this deck. Oh! So, I'm gonna try something that seemed to kind of work. So when I split it, I use this index finger back here to come all the way behind the cards instead of on the side. Yeah! Alright, let's try the left. This is gonna be ugly, oh gosh. Oh. Oh my goodness. There, one. Ow! Now, as it turns out, learning the one-handed split is really just about practice. I know, go figure. But in all honesty, the two most important tips I learned with this trick is to keep your pinky on the upper deck during the entire flip, and keeping your index finger on the very edge of the bottom deck so that your fingernail glides smoothly under the top deck, preventing the bottom card from sticking to the bottom one and inherently ruining the trick. Also, getting all the cards to line up with one hand was particularly difficult. Alright, I'm gonna try and see if I can do it with two hands. Alright. Oh. Ah! Alright, I'm gonna get closer for you guys. Alright, here we go. Attempt number 1. Oh crap. Well, fail. Attempt number 2. 1. Ah! No. Attempt number 3. 1. 2. 3. Now we're talking. Let's try for the left hand. And attempt number 1. Ah, I had it. Attempt number 2. No. No. 2. 3. Boom. So I think I'm going to end up doing several more of these cardistry videos, due to the fact that I found this skill very enjoyable to learn, and I also live in Wisconsin, which means as of right now, there will be no more outdoor skills that I'll be yearning to learn.